Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel, OB Math Study Care. In the previous class, we have discussed about the algebraic expression class 6. Now today, we discuss about the geometry, characteristic of geometry on class 4-5. Now, dear students, at first, we have discussed about the various kinds of figure and then write the characteristic of them. Now, our first figure is a rectangle. Geometry, rectangle. First figure is rectangle. Rectangle. First figure is rectangle. Suppose A, B, C, D. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. How can we understand it is the rectangle? We know that the quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and parallel and every angle is right angle. প্রত্যেকটা অ্যাঙ্গেল হচ্ছে রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল, প্রত্যেকটা অ্যাঙ্গেল হচ্ছে সমকোণ। যে চতুর্ভুজের বিপরীত বাহুগুলো সমান এবং প্রত্যেকটি কোণ হচ্ছে সমকোণ, তাকে বলা হয় আয়তক্ষেত্র। ইন ইংলিশ, if opposite sides of a quadrilateral equal and parallel and every angle is right angle is called rectangle. Now, dear students, what is the characteristic of rectangle? Our first characteristic বা properties, characteristic or properties, characteristics. Number 1, কি লিখতে পারি? What can we do? What can we write? The opposite sides are equal. Opposite angle গুলো হচ্ছে opposite sides are equal. Number 2, every angle is right angle. Every angle is right angle. That means 90 degree. Right angle. Our first characteristic is opposite sides are equal. Second characteristic, every angle is right angle. Third characteristic number 3, diagonals are equal. Fourth characteristic, we can write the various kinds of characteristic. If in your exam, if wanted write the characteristic of 2 characteristic or 3 characteristic, maybe maximum in the question there are 2 or 3 characteristic come to your exam, but we have learned at least 4 characteristic of a quadrilateral. আমরা মিনিমাম 4টা ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক পড়ব, কারণ পরীক্ষার ক্ষেত্রে যদি আমাদের 3 ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক আসে সেই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা যেন we can write we have no, আমাদের জানতে হবে 4টা ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক। যদি আমরা একটাও ভুলে যাই সেই ক্ষেত্রে যেন we can write easily 3 characteristic. First characteristic is opposite sides are equal, every angle is right angle, diagonals are equal. There are another characteristic, it has 4 vertex, it is a quadrilateral, everything it has. We can write it is a quadrilateral. Now, dear students, we can write these 4 characteristic of rectangle. We can write the four characteristic of, dear students. This is our another figure. This is square. What is the square? If the quadrilateral whose four sides are equal and every angle is right angle is called square. Here it is the figure of ABCD is a square. Characteristic of square. Number one, all sides are equal. What is the difference between the rectangle and square? We can write in the rectangle opposite sides are equal, and in the square we write all sides are equal. প্রত্যেকটি সাইডই সমান. Second question, every angle is right angle. Right, rectangle and square, every angle is right angle. Diagonals are equal. This is the same characteristic of rectangle. Diagonals are equal and it is a quadrilateral. These four characteristic of square, this is the similar as rectangle. Only one characteristic has some difference. Here the in the rectangle, here write the opposite sides are equal, thus we write all sides are equal, and other three characteristic are totally same. Okay, our next figure. Dear students, it is the figure of parallelogram. Parallelogram in Bangla, Samantarik. What is the parallelogram? In the quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and parallel is called parallelogram. The characteristic of parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Characteristic of number 2, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. And characteristic number 3, dear students, who can write our first characteristic is opposite sides are equal and parallel. Second characteristic, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. That means angle A equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle A equal to angle B, sorry, angle A equal to angle C, and angle B equal to angle D. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals are bisect to each other. মানে এর যে ডায়াগোনালস গুলো থাকবে পরস্পরকে বাইসেক্ট করবে। তাহলে ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক নাম্বার 3, diagonals are bisect to each other. Bisect to each other. প্রত্যেকে একে অপরকে, dear students, our next characteristic, diagonal are bisect to each other. And characteristic number 4 of parallelogram, it is a quadrilateral. Now students, dear student, it is the figure number 4, rhombus. What is the rhombus? The quadrilateral whose all sides are equal, is called rhombus. The characteristic of rhombus, the all sides are equal, or that means sides AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. All sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. The same system, angle A equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle D. Opposite angles are equal. Characteristic number 3, diagonals are perpendicular bisect. There is a new word on for the rhombus. In the parallelogram, we have learned that diagonals are bisect each other, but in the case of the rhombus, you should write the diagonals are perpendicularly bisect to each other. Perpendicular, that is new word. Perpendicularly bisect to each other. Perpendicularly. Perpendicularly bisect. This is the diagonals are perpendicularly bisect each other. It is a quadrilateral. Same characteristic of the rhombus. Our next figure, there is student. Our next figure. This is the trapezium. This is the trapezium. There is students. Your first question is, what is the trapezium? In the quadrilateral, which one pair side are parallel. The quadrilateral which one pair side এক জোড়া বাহু যার parallel is called quadrilateral, is called trapezium. যা কি বলছে trapezium, যে চতুর্ভুজের এক জোড়া বাহু সমান্তরাল, এক জোড়া, যেমন সামুদ্রিকের ক্ষেত্রে দুই জোড়া বাহু সমান্তরাল. In the case of the trapezium, one pair side is parallel, is called the trapezium. What is the characteristic of the trapezium? We can write the one pair side is parallel, is like one pair side is parallel. Question number 2, it has 4 vertex. It has 4 vertex. Characteristic number 3, we can write diagonals are opposite angles. Sorry, it has 2 diagonal. It has 2 diagonals. Characteristic number 4, it is a quadrilateral. It is a quadrilateral. Dear students, we have discussed about the characteristic of class 4 plus 5 level students, the quadrilateral base. Now we have learned about the 5 geometry: rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus, and trapezium. We have learned these 5 figure and characteristic of every of them. Our next class we have discussed about we will discuss about the how to draw the various kinds of figure and circle. Thank you. Dear students, every student should carefully to learn it, and you should see the lecture 2 or more times, then you can understand everything. If you have faced any problem, then you communicate with my comments. And dear students, please subscribe my channel, inspire to me. Thank you. Thanks all.